salted caramel corn. Beautiful, wonderful.
Divine.
Smells just divine.
I'm going to use that word.
Yes, we love divine today.
Yeah.
Trust the process. Believe in yourself.
It's delicious.
Now let's sweeten things up.
It's delicious.
All right, you'll want to get a bowl of 10 cups of popped popcorn. Get the seeds out. You can have any flavor of popcorn you want, and you can pop it however you want as long as you have 10 cups of popcorn. Then next, you'll want to get a baking sheet and line it with the parchment paper. In a medium-sized saucepan on medium heat, you'll want to add your 1 cup butter or 2 sticks. Okay, and just get that till melted. Once your butter has melted, let's go ahead and add your 1/2 cup of corn syrup and your 1 cup of brown sugar. And let's bring this to a boil. Okay, once you get it to a boil, let's let it sit and boil for 4 minutes without touching it. You can go 5 if you want more of a hard candy kind of texture on the outside. All right, it's been boiling for 4 minutes. We're gonna turn off the heat and we're gonna add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla and stir it in. It's gonna start to bubble up. We've got 1 teaspoon of salt. You can use any salt you want, sea salt, kosher salt. And you'll want a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Now it's going to start to bubble up a little bit here. Just keep stirring it. Once we get this all combined, we're going to want to bring our popcorn bowl over and we're going to add it to our popcorn. Okay, and we're going to just pour it over the popcorn and we're going to toss it and get it covered all over the popcorn.
Don't worry if it doesn't get incorporated completely. The whole point of this recipe is it takes about an hour in the oven. So every 15 minutes, you're going to fold this back in on itself and the sugar is going to melt through the popcorn at that point. So if you don't get it perfect right now, don't be concerned. It'll be perfect when it's done.
Okay, now we're going to get our lined baking sheet out and we're going to just pour it into this baking sheet carefully. It's still very hot. And then we're going to put it in our preheated oven for about 15 minutes and then we're going to stir it about again. The oven needs to be at 250 though. All right, it's been about 15 minutes and we're going to go ahead and take our spatula and we're going to fold it in on each other. We're going to make sure we're not going to burn ourselves. This is very, very, very hot. Okay, we're going to put it back in the oven. This was only the first of 3 times. We're going to do the 15 minutes. We're going to put this in for 2 more times at a 15-minute interval. Please let it cool before you handle it, whether eating it or trying to store it away. All right, our kitchen smells just amazing. It's this caramel corn. It didn't take long. It was very easy to make. We're gonna have to taste it here soon because it just smells so good.
We know.
Look at that caramely piece. It's salted caramel corn, but it's not too salty.
The salt's not overpowering because we blended it into the caramel when we made it. If we sprinkle it on top, it'd be more intense. It's not, and it's not salty. Anyway.
Yeah, it's, look at that crunch. It's so good. Oh my God.
It's so good. It's good. It's crispy good.
Mm-hmm.
So if you want a caramel corn that's kind of chewy, you're just going to have to eat more of it till the sugars build up and it gets chewy.
Or maybe not cook it as long with that.
I'm not playing around with that. You just follow the recipe first, then change it the way you feel later. It's always the best policy if you've never done something. Do it our way and then change it to make it yours.
Trust the process. Believe in yourself.
Believe in yourself.
Have a nice day.
Have a great day.